So this is our new Hexclad set we just got from Costco.
Can you open this one? Can you open my wok?
Yeah.
I love the wok.
You love
It's
the wok?
really good. Yeah. Thank you for this. I love it.
So we paid what, $3.75 for this set here.
Yeah.
For this, so we get
Yeah.
3 pans, 3 covers, and then an extra small wok on top of it. And it came in a fancy box, fancy packaging. And it was what? How much of a discount was that? $75 or so.
What?
How much?
$3.79.
That's what we paid for it. But what was the just
Yeah.
original price? Like $4.50, like that. And then here's the.
This is the wok.
This is the
I like the size.
standalone wok, which was this is what? How much? $150 for this. I
Yeah,
think.
$150. I like the packaging.
Yeah, I don't know how much we're paying for the packaging, but. This would be the lid.
Yeah, that's the lid. Oops.
And they come in these paper bags.
Wow, I like the size.
Here's the wok. Here's the big wok.
Yeah, nice.
Like the texture. Bottom is texturized too.
That's
They
good.
said this is, I guess, ceramic coated and laser etched, so you can see the stainless steel through the ceramic coating. So apparently it's not Teflon, it's not plastic coated, which is one of my concerns because I didn't want anything with chemicals in it. So that's good. And kind of like the packaging on these lids. That's kind of funny. Put this down here. This is supposed to come with a lifetime warranty, so we got to make sure to register it. So if it doesn't work, if it starts, oh,
Do we have that one in there?
I don't.
In the box?
I don't see. Oh,
It's
yeah,
supposed okay.
yeah, there's a box in there. It has
Yeah,
the-
that one is in this one.
So it has the, I guess, little instruction orders manual.
Before you start it, you have to.
With the, then you sign up, use the barcode to sign up to get the warranty. I do like the glass lid on this so you can see how it's cooking.
Nice.
And that goes in the wok for all the, so you can, all the stir fry you like to make. Right there.
Yeah, for sure, that one is very useful for me. I love it. I love the size.
Told
It's
you right there.
perfect. Yeah, everything in it. Because if this one is that big, I don't need to buy that one. But this is, I don't know if I can use this much. But for sure, this one.
Yeah. Anna likes to cook with big portions. So I'm sure it will serve us well. Watching what you're making.
I'm making chicken curry.
Chicken curry. There's our chicken. Got our spices. Using your new Hexclad wok.
Yeah,
How's it working?
I like it. Expensive. It didn't stick.
Doesn't
Really
stick.
good. Yeah.
It's a little olive
Very
oil.
nice, yeah. I need to fry this a little bit.
Got some carrots in there.
Yeah, I just do the potato first. So, and then next is the, maybe I can put the, this one, so.
See how that works.
Yeah, let's fry that a little bit. Just like 3 minutes, then just
So we sauteed that for just a few minutes.
yeah, so it's not gonna be soggy when you just boil it.
More olive oil. yummy garlic. Just put the chicken in there. Saute the chicken. Fish sauce.
I know. Nice. Beautiful. So you could see it still.
Yeah,
Even you cover it.
Got a glass top lid so you can see how it's cooking on the inside.
Yep.
Little pepper, black pepper.
Magic syrup.
Magic syrup.
So, and after this one, I'm gonna put the coconut milk. My God, I love my wok. Thank you. Oh, wow.
Valentine's Day present.
Yeah, I told you, like Valentine's, Mother's Day, Christmas, birthday, because this is not so cheap. It's expensive. But maybe you forgot on my Mother's Day, you can buy me another one.
So you can tell the difference between the old one and this one.
Yeah,
So it's worth it, huh?
it's worth it.
Put it in your curry.
Wow, look at that color. So I don't need to use turmeric.
The curry gives it enough color.
Yeah. Yeah, because last time you complained that they're not enough curry, so now I think this is too much. Look how yellow it is.
You'll see. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Yeah, it's okay. Now I'm gonna cook a little bit and then put the coconut milk, then that's it. We're done. Just with the coconut.
Coconut milk.
Yep.
Look at that beautiful curry color.
I know. Wow. Then while it's boiling, now you can put I want to put some butter in it. Okay. I just watched this one only in the,
So put some butter in it.
yeah. So it's gonna be creamy. There you go. Okay. I'm just gonna boil a little bit and then put all the vegetable, carrots, bell pepper, and that's it. Oops.
Put those in just a minute.
Yeah. That one is got, I got like cup of rice. I put bell pepper, corn, baby corn, and I just put the water chestnut here and potato. That's it. But look at the color.
Yeah, look at the steam coming off, nice and hot.
Looks really good.
Here's product coming out of the wok.
That's a perfect. Try it.
Delicious.
Try. Yes.
Delicious.
How don't you go eat? I still have.